Did you know that the Galaxy Z TriFold can actually transform into 3 different devices with just one fold? It's like having a tablet, phone, and mini laptop all in your pocket. 1. A new era in mobile innovation, the Galaxy Z TriFold unveiled. In late 2025, Samsung Electronics officially unveiled a device that redefines what a smartphone can be. The Galaxy Z TriFold represents Samsung's most ambitious folding design yet, a tri-folding smartphone that transforms between a pocket-friendly phone and a full-blown tablet. This device made headlines worldwide upon its announcement, positioning itself not merely as a new phone, but as a technological milestone in mobile engineering. 2. The magic of trifold design. At the heart of the Galaxy Z TriFold lies its unique trifold mechanism, featuring 2 distinct hinges that allow the large internal display to fold inward in 3 sections. When completely unfolded, it offers a vast 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, essentially combining the screen real estate of 3 traditional 6.5-inch screens into one continuous surface. This go-big approach dramatically expands what users can accomplish on their mobile device. This design is not just about size, but also about form factor fluidity. Users can fold the device into different shapes to match their needs, whether it's compact for everyday phone tasks, or fully open for immersive viewing and multitasking. Such a flexible approach marks a pivotal evolution from conventional smartphones. 3. Astonishing display technology. Samsung has long been a leader in display innovation, and the Galaxy Z TriFold exemplifies this. The 10-inch inner screen boasts QXGA+ resolution with up to 1600 nits of brightness and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, smooth motion, and exceptional visibility even under bright sunlight. In addition to the interior screen, the device also sports a 6.5-inch cover display with even brighter peak brightness around 2600 nits, enabling quick phone tasks without needing to open the device. Such display performance makes the TriFold ideal for both productivity and entertainment. 4. From pocket to productivity powerhouse. One of the Galaxy Z TriFold's most thrilling secret gems is how it transforms visual space into productivity. With a large internal display, users can run up to 3 full-sized apps side by side, making workflows that once required multiple devices now possible on a single device. Whether drafting emails, editing spreadsheets, or chatting while referencing documents, the TriFold shines as a productivity tool. Samsung also introduced standalone Samsung DeX support on this device, meaning users can enjoy a desktop-like experience without connecting to an external monitor. This expands the Z TriFold into a portable workstation powerful enough for professionals on the go. 5. Seamless multitasking with One UI and Galaxy AI. Behind the impressive hardware lies Samsung's advanced software layer, One UI 8 based on Android 16, meticulously optimized for the TriFold form. Enhanced multitasking features allow intuitive resizing and positioning of apps across the large screen. The interface intelligently adapts to shifting screen real estate as the device folds and unfolds. Equally remarkable is its integration with Galaxy AI features. Tools like Photo Assist, Generative Edit, and Sketch-to-Image leverage the expansive display to let users edit and compare content side by side. Additionally, Gemini Live provides context-aware AI assistance, capable of real-time suggestions and interactive responses based on what's on screen, a true leap in mobile intelligence. 6. Photography at the edge of innovation. Another hidden gem of the Galaxy Z TriFold is its photography prowess. The device packs a triple camera system anchored by a 200MP main sensor, a resolution once limited to flagship standalone cameras. This is paired with a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens with optical zoom capabilities, making it one of the most versatile camera setups in the foldable category. Both the cover and inner displays also host 10MP front-facing cameras, making selfies, video calls, and content creation seamless regardless of how the phone is folded. Combined with powerful computational photography features driven by AI, the TriFold empowers users with pro-level creative tools. 7. Power and performance under the hood. The Galaxy Z TriFold is more than just a large screen. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, one of Qualcomm's most advanced mobile chips, paired with an impressive 16 GB of RAM. Storage options can reach up to 1 TB, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. To fuel this expansive device, Samsung equipped it with a 5600 mAh battery, distributed across the TriFold design for balanced energy delivery. The phone supports 45 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and wireless power share, ensuring robust endurance whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. 8. Durability meets design refinement. Foldable devices have often faced skepticism around durability. For the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung incorporated titanium-reinforced hinges, an advanced armor aluminum frame, and a ceramic glass fiber reinforced back panel to improve structural resilience. The device carries an IP48 water resistance rating, offering reliable protection against dust and water immersion. However, as early external stress tests have circulated, some users have raised questions about long-term hinge strength. These results highlight the real-world challenges of pushing hardware boundaries and remind enthusiasts that innovation often walks hand-in-hand with engineering trade-offs. 9. A cinematic canvas for entertainment. Large screens are not just for productivity, they transform entertainment too. With its expansive foldable display and bright adaptive refresh rates, the Z TriFold turns streaming video, gaming, and multimedia into a cinematic experience on the go. Users can watch content in full size while interacting with comments, controls, or separate apps side by side, a level of immersion traditional phones can't match. 10. Global launch and market momentum. Samsung launched the Galaxy Z TriFold in South Korea on December 12, 2025, and has since begun rolling it out to markets including China, Taiwan, Singapore, the UAE, and the United States, with broader availability expected in early 2026. In the US, Samsung has offered hands-on experiences ahead of the full launch at select experience stores, allowing users to explore the device's full potential in person. 11. Exclusive offers and customer benefits. To sweeten the launch, Samsung extended special offers such as 6 months of Google AI Pro, offering advanced AI capabilities and generous cloud storage, to Galaxy Z TriFold purchasers. The company also introduced a one-time 50% discount on display repairs, recognizing the premium nature of the device and supporting long-term ownership. 12. The future of mobile redefined. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold's launch is more than a product release, it signals a future where the line between phones, tablets, and laptops continues to blur. Its trifold form factor challenges mobile norms, pushing the industry toward more versatile, expansive screens without compromising pocketability. As competitors respond and ecosystem support continues to grow, the TriFold will likely be remembered as a catalyst for a new generation of mobile experiences. 13. Quick summary. The Galaxy Z TriFold is a game-changer in the world of smartphones, boasting an innovative design that sets it apart from the rest. Its unique trifold mechanism allows it to adapt to different use cases, making it an exciting device for tech enthusiasts. What makes the Galaxy Z TriFold so special is its ability to transform into various devices, offering users a fresh experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on documents, this device has got you covered. Its sleek design and cutting-edge technology make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile experience. With the Galaxy Z TriFold, you can enjoy a larger screen without having to carry a larger device. Samsung, the manufacturer, has a reputation for pushing the boundaries of innovation in the smartphone market. From the first Galaxy smartphone to the latest foldable devices, Samsung has consistently shown its commitment to delivering exceptional user experiences. The concept of foldable phones has come a long way since its introduction, with Samsung leading the charge. With the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung is taking a significant step forward, offering users a device that's both stylish and functional. Over the years, Samsung has refined its foldable technology, addressing concerns and improving performance. The result is a device that's not only visually stunning but also reliable. The Galaxy Z TriFold's reputation for innovation is well-deserved, given its impressive specs and features. From its foldable display to its advanced camera capabilities, this device has it all. The foldable display on the Galaxy Z TriFold is undoubtedly one of its standout features. With a large, high-resolution screen, users can enjoy an immersive viewing experience, whether they're watching videos or browsing the web. Camera capabilities on the Galaxy Z TriFold are also top-notch, with advanced features like optical zoom, portrait mode, and low-light enhancement. This device is a photographer's dream come true. Battery life on the Galaxy Z TriFold is impressive, with a large battery that can last all day. Plus, with fast charging and wireless charging capabilities, users can quickly top up their battery on the go. Unique functionalities like the S Pen support and 5G connectivity make the Galaxy Z TriFold a versatile device that's perfect for productivity and entertainment. The TriFold design allows for a larger screen area without increasing the device's size, making it perfect for multitasking. Users can enjoy multiple apps and windows simultaneously, streamlining their workflow. With its impressive specs and features, the Galaxy Z TriFold is an excellent choice for those looking for a device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. One of the significant advantages of the Galaxy Z TriFold is its versatility. Users can switch between phone, tablet, and laptop modes seamlessly, making it perfect for work, play, and everything in between. However, some users might be concerned about the durability of the device, given its complex folding mechanism. While these concerns are valid, Samsung has implemented various measures to ensure the device's reliability. The price point of the Galaxy Z TriFold might be a drawback for some users, as it's undoubtedly a premium device. Nevertheless, for those who value innovation and cutting-edge technology, it's worth considering. When it comes to similar devices, the Motorola Razr and Huawei Mate X come to mind. Both devices offer unique features and designs, but the Galaxy Z TriFold stands out with its trifold mechanism and impressive specs. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z TriFold has a distinct advantage, offering users a more versatile and adaptable device. While the Motorola Razr and Huawei Mate X have their own strengths, the Galaxy Z TriFold's trifold design sets it apart. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z TriFold is on par with other high-end devices, thanks to its powerful processor and ample storage. Users can enjoy seamless performance, whether they're gaming, streaming, or working. Pricing is always a consideration, and the Galaxy Z TriFold is certainly a premium device. However, for those who value innovation and cutting-edge technology, it's worth the investment. 14. Conclusion. From its sweeping foldable display and powerhouse performance to its cutting-edge AI integration and productivity features, the Galaxy Z TriFold is a showcase of engineering innovation. Beneath its bold design lie countless secret gems, hidden capabilities that redefine what a mobile device can be. For users seeking a blend of creativity, productivity, and entertainment in one device, the TriFold marks a bold step into the future of mobile technology. I've had the chance to use the Galaxy Z TriFold, and I must say it's been a game changer for my daily life. The device's versatility and adaptability have made it an essential tool for work and play. The Galaxy Z TriFold has streamlined my workflow, allowing me to switch between tasks and apps seamlessly. Its large screen and impressive specs make it perfect for productivity and entertainment. One of the things that's impressed me most about the Galaxy Z TriFold is its ability to adapt to different use cases. Whether I'm working on documents, watching videos, or browsing the web, this device has got me covered. Overall, the Galaxy Z TriFold is an exceptional device that's perfect for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its innovative design, impressive specs, and versatility make it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z TriFold is a remarkable device that offers users a unique experience. While it has its drawbacks, its strengths make it a compelling choice for those looking for a cutting-edge device. If you're in the market for a device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Galaxy Z TriFold is definitely worth considering. Its innovative design and impressive specs make it a worthwhile investment. For those who value innovation and versatility, the Galaxy Z TriFold is an excellent choice. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional, this device has something to offer. If you want to learn more about smartphone accessories, be sure to check out my next video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy Z TriFold in the comments, so don't be shy, share your opinions. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm always excited to hear from my viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video.